Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ICB network token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, the ICB network stands as the forefront of blockchain innovation as a groundbreaking layer 1 project. At its core, the network harnesses the power of the proof of stake POS consensus mechanism, setting a new standards for efficiency, security, and scalability in various industries. ICB network token total supplies 100 billion and circulating supplies around 19.29 billion ICBX token. ICBX token is listed on Bitmart, Lbank, X.com, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.